my god!
I think that's good. We're good. It's all good.
It's all good.
This is so difficult.
It looks like we're in like a box, like wrapping paper. I feel like brows is gonna be so easy for me. I'm getting hungry.
If I didn't rob it on girl, would you still? If I minimize my net worth, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today me and Michaela are doing the No Mirror Makeup Challenge.
Oh wow!
Do you like it?
Oh my god, it feels so nice.
We both applied the 𝒟𝒾𝓈𝓸 Rose Water Spray. So I'm gonna prime with the NYX Honeydew Me Up Primer.
And I'm gonna prime with a bunch of primer. I'm gonna use the Photo Finish Primer Water. And I'm gonna use what's left of my Too Faced Hangover Primer.
So now I'm gonna put my foundation on. I'm gonna use the Milani Conceal and Perfect one. This is so difficult.
Now I'm finally gonna be putting on foundation.
You gotta catch up.
Yeah, I do. I'm using the CoverGirl Health Elixir and I'm mixing it, my Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer, because the lightest shade is not my shade, so I have to mix it with a bit of my concealer. Otherwise it looks too tan.
We need to go on a rant about shade range one day.
Oh my god. We could do it right now. Oh my god, I don't like this. I can't see.
I don't even know if I missed it.
I'm probably missing like my entire face. Can't help each other. Like you can't tell me if something looks good or not. And I can't tell you. Like I feel like we're just gonna like put on our foundation and like certain spots are gonna be like missing. Like some areas are gonna look more like tan and some
We'll
aren't.
have blotches.
Yeah, oh my god. It's gonna be so bad. But you know what? We're not going out. We're not doing anything. We're just gonna take this off, do some skincare stuff tonight, watch movies. See, the thing I hate about this, and I saw it in like a couple people doing videos about this challenge, is like you don't know where to look. Because normally you look in a mirror, so just like looking around at like random stuff. Because you just don't know where to look.
Yeah, I've been looking at you.
Stab myself in the eye trying to do my concealer.
Doing makeup every day. But also I don't want to run out of anything because I'm a broke bitch. So.
Same.
I'm trying to savor it for only like picture events.
Yes. Yeah, Miss Foundation Collection. You're like, I don't want to run out of foundation. I have one. You have like 100.
I'm gonna put my Tarte Shape Tape on. I just been blending the foundation.
I want that stuff so bad. I'm just waiting for you to like hit the corner of your eye. Because I almost did. Like, I felt like I got so close. Yeah, I forgot to say what I was doing. I'm setting my face with this Tarte, I always forget, the Smooth Operator, like translucent powder.
And since I'm a cheap bitch, I'm using the Airspun powder.
Well, mine's just a sample. It's not even like
it's still
full
probably
size.
more expensive than this one.
Oh, well, yeah, it probably
This is like
was.
$5.99.
Well, actually, no. This I got with my Sephora points. I actually technically.
I bet if you buy it.
Well, technically, you could say I bought it because like it was like one of those 500 point sets. So, like you had to spend like what is it, like $500? Because like you get 1 point for every dollar you spend.
Their point system sucks. That's just because like you get samples with every purchase already, and you're just earning points to get even more samples. Like I don't understand that logic.
Well, you don't actually get samples.
Like it would actually be better like if you're saving up points to get full size products.
Yeah,
like
you can like once you hit a certain point thing, like you can earn like
a million,
like getaways and like free makeovers and stuff like that.
That's a lot of shit though.
See, I feel like I just don't even know what to do next. Like I just feel so lost.
I'm gonna just take the Shade and Light palette. It's very well used. I'm like totally out of the light shades.
Do you see that? Okay, so I'm going to be using my Too Faced Best Year Ever palette, and it doesn't have a mirror in it, so I'm not cheating.
I'm not cheating. I bent the mirror that way.
And you bought me this palette, so I had to bring it. Got the BH Cosmetics Natural Eyes palette because I always use the two highlight ones for like my inner corner. Pretty. And some days when I really want that highlight, I just like take my finger and like pack it on. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna poke my eye. I don't even know where to look because like normally you're like up close to your mirror.
I feel like I'm not blending this well.
Oh my god. This is gonna be a mess. I should have waited till you started doing this so we could have done this at the same time. Actually feels weird like putting this on knowing I already have like foundation and stuff on.
Blush? I think that's good. We're good. It's all good.
It's all good. It's gonna look like I got punched in the eye.
But highlight's gonna be hard. I'm gonna take the Wet n Wild Blossom Glow highlight. Let's see. This is good.
I kind of want to just like watch you do it, but I can't tell you if you did anything. I'm not gonna tell you.
So I'm gonna use the Anastasia Dip Pomade and just kind of brush them out.
I've just been sitting here like doing eyeshadows. Actually, I feel like I'm in a spot because I'm just sitting here with like my eyes closed and just.
I think we're good. We're just kind of blending it in carefully. Did I miss?
Did I miss?
I think I missed already.
I'm not gonna tell you if you did or not. Now I'm going to try to do eyeliner. I'm getting the worst part done first. I feel like brows is gonna be so easy for me. I'm gonna like draw a line like right across my eyelid. Like it's not even gonna be on my lashes. Oh god. I don't like this. Oh my god, I don't like this. Don't laugh at me! By the way, I'm using the Maybelline Blackest Black Gel Eyeliner. And I'm using this makeup pen because it like dried up on me and I don't have a brush for this. Like I'm so used to using this. I'm so used to like holding this in my hand. I feel like if I try to do eyeliner with a brush, it's gonna be so weird and I'm not gonna know what to do.
So I'm just gonna set my brows with the Great Lash by Maybelline.
Okay, this feels right, but I feel like I just made this like a super thick line. Like
Brows are all good.
are they though?
So I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Rosé in the Air palette, which is basically a dupe for the Modern Renaissance. I haven't really tried it out yet, so I'm excited.
You have the Modern Renaissance. Cough,
Yes,
cough.
I use it all the time.
I feel like there are some spots that are like super high and like thick, and there are some spots that are like super thin, and I feel like I didn't even like touch my lash line at all. I'm too scared to do a wing, I'm sorry.
I feel like I fucked up my brows enough where I don't have to care at this point.
I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara because, you know, best mascara ever. Oh my god! Ah! I already felt I touched my face! Okay.
I'm gonna attempt to blend it out.
Do my brows now, and I'm gonna use mine. I have the same brow product, the Anastasia Dip Brow.
I'm gonna apply a shimmer on the lid to complete this look.
Oh my gosh, so did I! So I'm jumping back to face makeup. I'm going to bronze with the Urban Decay Naked Skin Shapeshifter palette.
Now I'm going in with eyeliner and I'm using the Essence Waterproof Eyeliner Pen. This is gonna be difficult.
Have fun! I'm just gonna tell you it's fun.
There's eye.
There's eye. I feel like I'm putting so much of this on. Okay, now I'm gonna highlight with the highlighter that's also in this palette, which you can tell I've used. You can see the bottom of the pan.
The other side is so hard.
You having fun over there?
No.
Can I just say I love this highlighter? Like, it looks so nice for like every day.
I'm gonna use the CoverGirl Plum Crusher mascara. Oh, this is difficult because I get so close. That's good enough. I go over with the Total Temptation one by Maybelline.
I'm sitting here trying to highlight my brow bone and I literally just ran this across my entire And I'm going to use the Tarte blush in Party. I got this in a birthday set that I got from Sephora. We're both using the Urban Decay lipsticks. I'm using the shade Sheer Liar.
Mine's in Back Talk.
Just because. I just put my Smashbox water on because my skin was feeling a bit dry.
I'm just gonna set it with the Urban Decay all-nighter.
Yep, set
I
that.
want this to stay.
Yep, all night. We're gonna go out after this.
No, we ain't.
Yeah, we are. Let's do this reveal. I'm so nervous just for my eyeliner. I feel like everything else was pretty good, but I'm scared for my eyeliner.
I feel like I fucked up on everything.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh my god. Oh my god. My brows.
Oh my god, mine's actually not that bad.
Oh, mine's terrible. This is so bad. I literally messed up on everything. All the eyeshadows.
Mine's actually not that bad. I put a little too much shimmer on my eyes, like you can see it.
Like
but my liner is actually like in the right place. It's just not like...
Oh my god.
Oh, we need to do a zoom in on yours. We need to do like a zoom in on both of ours. Dude, I could do mine without a mirror.
Yeah,
like there's certain things that I knew I could do without a mirror because like I do it every day. Like when I'm late for work, I'll like throw my lipstick on with no mirror. I think I tried to do my brows once with no mirror.
No, we clearly can tell that I can't do my brows.
Yeah, mine actually weren't that bad. They just don't look shaped. Like they just look like they're there. And
Oh my god.
we need to zoom in on this.
So, that's her final result. It actually looks decent. Like if she went out in public, like that'd actually be acceptable. Mine's the total opposite.
Her finished product. Let's see. Slay. Go you. Damn, girl. We're going out to get food and stuff after that. Yeah, we are. Look at those brows.
This is how you do the bold, natural, bushy brow look. Nice wings too.
Yep. Slaying
Some
it.
nice eyeshadow that's terrible. I miss my lips a
A
little.
little bit.
But other than that,
yeah, the base looks good. Your
I
base
know.
looks better than mine.
that's all I can do without a mirror. Everything else is a no. So
Yeah.
if I don't have a mirror, I'll just not wear makeup.
Yeah, your base looks way better than mine.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and check out her channel. We'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.
You call her Stephanie, I call her Heffany.